Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be revealing another item from one and only Louis Vuitton. If you guys have watched my last video, I will link it down below if you haven't. I showed you guys that I got a mini niece, and definitely go check out that video so you can take a peek at it. It's one of Louis Vuitton's new releases. So go check that out because it is in question whether or not I should keep it after I show you guys what I got here. So yeah, let's just jump right into the whole story about this. So basically, I have been dying for this little cutie for a really long time, but it is impossible to get your hands on. And my friend MM, I will link her channel and write her Instagram name down here. She reached out to one of her sales associates, and literally after a week she scored me this baby. So without further ado, let's open it up. Comment down below if you think you know what it is. Oh my god, guys, it's the Nano Speedy. Oh my freaking god. How cute is this freaking thing? I am like dying over it. So basically it is a miniature version of the Speedy. It comes with a strap. The strap is not detachable. And you know what? Let me go and grab the niece mini so that I can kind of do a comparison for you guys. Okay, so this is the size comparison to the niece, the mini niece, and the Nano Speedy. As you can see, the niece is definitely bigger. Yeah, I definitely think that the niece is gonna fit a lot more than this little cutie. So basically, I purchased this. I had some leftover credit from my pochette Matisse that I returned that was defective. If you want to hear about that, you can go to my my video when I revealed this, and I'll tell you a little bit about how I was able to send that back to Louis Vuitton after, I think it was two or 3 years. So I had some leftover credit and I really wanted this, but like I said, it was literally impossible to find. So I got this instead, kind of hoping that it would fill my need because I do really like a top handle bag. Sorry that my face keeps getting cut out. I do like a top handle bag, but this was really what I wanted. So I basically got this, and then literally days later, MM scored me this. So yeah, now I have both, and I want you guys to tell me if I should keep both or if I should send the niece back and just stick with the Speedy. The Speedy's not going anywhere, so it's either just this or keep this and this. So I kind of feel like it gives a different like vibe. What do you guys think? I feel like this could be like a little bit more dressed up. This is definitely super, super casual. It would be hard to turn this into just a top handle bag because I feel like if I stuck the straps in there, then it'll take away a lot of room. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Should I return the niece mini or the mini niece? What should I do? Should I keep both? And I would love to know what you guys think. So now let me share with you guys what fits inside the Nano Speedy in case you are trying to get your hands on one. So first I have my 6-ring key holder, goes right in. I have my iPhone X, goes right in. This is actually the first time I'm doing this. Don't think that this is going to fit inside. This is my mini pochette accessory. Actually, this is good to kind of show you the size. So it's almost in length the same size as this. So I don't think, oh, you know what? It actually might fit if I really wanted it to fit. Maybe not, I don't know. So I guess I'll just take out the stuff that I have inside here. my YSL card holder, fits right in. Some cash, right in. This is not gonna fit. Might be a little bit annoying to like fit all my stuff. I'm gonna put like a bunch of cards in there. Oh my God, there's like so much room. This is crazy. What else? My lip gloss by Fenty Beauty. I love Fenty Beauty. And I don't know if you will be able to tell, but I could fit my whole hand, my whole fist in there, and I literally could fit more in there. Like I could probably put double the amount in there. I'm trying to think of what else. This is really all I carry on a daily basis. This is the bag I'm currently using right now, my YSL Lulu bag. If you guys want an updated video wear and tear on this bag, I will also link that below. I'm just trying to get some other things. Oh, here. This is another Fenty Beauty. This is the translucent blotting powder. I'm gonna stick that in. I still have room to put more. What else? I'm gonna stick another lip gloss. I'll stick another lip gloss in there. And there's still room. So basically this little guy, don't be fooled, it can fit a lot more than what you want. And I love it. Let me try it on for you guys. I am super bummed out today, so don't mind me. But it's freaking cute, guys. Little cutie. And then here's my niece, side by side. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely check out my other videos that I've linked down below. As I mentioned, my YSL review, my niece BB, my mini niece reveal. And check me out on Instagram. My name is trendythread_. And I would love to have you guys back. Thank you so much. Bye.